Today for story time, we will be reading Don't Push the Button. So if you guys want to at home, you can use your hand and it can be your own little button. Hi, my name's Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. 1, 2. Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Let's give it a good shake. Oh. Almost. A little more. Oh, let's shake it. Okay. There we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Hee hee hee, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end.